In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your email efficiently using Microsoft Outlook by sorting your emails by date. We all know how cluttered our inboxes can get with messages coming in from friends, family, colleagues, and companies. It can feel overwhelming, but with just a couple of quick steps, you can bring some order to the chaos and stay on top of your important messages stress-free. Let's dive into this easy, straightforward method, which will save you time and help you become more organized. First, let's get started by heading over to Microsoft Outlook. You can open the Outlook application on your computer if you have it installed, or simply access it via your web browser. Once you're logged into your Outlook account, you'll be greeted by your inbox. This is where all your emails live, including those you've read and those still pending attention. From this view, we're going to apply a simple method to sort everything quickly. Next, we need to locate the Filter option. You'll find it situated just below the search bar at the top of your email section. It's often represented by a funnel icon, and clicking it will give you several options for sorting and organizing your emails. This tool is designed to help you make sense of all the communication traffic you receive on a daily basis. After clicking Filter, you'll see different criteria to sort your emails, but for today's task, we will concentrate on sorting them by date. Once you're in the Filter menu, select Sort by Date. It might seem like a minor action, but what it does is immediately rearrange all your emails with the newest at the top. This is incredibly useful if you receive a lot of emails because it helps ensure you don't miss any new messages. With this method, the importance is on the timeliness of the email. You'll be able to see immediately what's come in most recently, which could be essential if you're expecting something urgent. And that's it. You've now successfully sorted your emails by date, ensuring that the most current messages are visible first. This simple adjustment can dramatically increase your ease in navigating through Outlook, offering you a bit more control over how you manage the stream of information coming your way. Remember, a tidy inbox not only helps in responding promptly, but also reduces the stress of sifting through emails, trying to figure out what's new and what needs attention. Hopefully, this little tip will make your experience with Outlook more efficient and less daunting. Stay organized, and you'll find managing your emails more manageable and your workflow more productive. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this brings some order to your daily email routine.